Welcome, students. I promise this is the last video for this week, but I wanted to just make sure everybody knew how to access our Unit 1 test. There are two parts, Part 1 and Part 2. All of this is due on Friday, November 18th by 11:30 p.m. So you're going to access your test probably from your plan, or you can go into the content. It is 1.16 and 1.17. This will just simply, the lesson introduction will just give you some information about it. But basically, the part one is just a multiple choice test. I think there are 20 questions or maybe 25. I forget already. And then you'll access it here and be able to take that test. When you're finished with that, you're going to want to go to 1.17. I'm just going to scroll down to the content to do that, which is part two. Again, there's a little introduction, but basically this one is a written assignment. Just like the written assignments that you've turned in for grading already, you're going to download it. And here you can see it's coming down here at the bottom of my screen, which I already had it open. But anyway, so you're going to need to enable the editing so that you can type your answers in. I would save it. A lot of us have been saving with a different title than just the numbers that it automatically downloads as, just so you can find it, because sometimes we don't find the correct one. So you might want to save it as something like, Unit 1 test, something like that. Because that way you have it and you know where that is. Hopefully you can put it in the file folder that you want to. All right, so you'll answer your questions, type them in, and save it, and then upload it for grading. That's how you do that there. Hopefully everybody knows how to do that. I will be out the rest of this week, as you know, probably. So if you are having trouble, or if you're wanting to take it again and you want to wait a little bit until you have some time to talk with me about it, that's totally fine, because we'll have some more open help next week and the week after, really, because next week is a very short week because of Thanksgiving. So don't stress if you're feeling like this is a little bit much, because it's a little hard when I'm not around to answer questions as well. So just know that technically we have the rest of the trimester, but we don't want to cram it all in the end. So we have it due for Friday. All right. Good luck. I know you guys will do great. Have a good one.